This is the wired version of the famous AJAZZ AK820 keyboard. It is a 75% gasket-mounted Type-C wired mechanical keyboard. The AK820 has 81 keys. It is a compact layout. Let's remove one of the keys. My version is with the red mechanical switches. The keys are PBT in OEM profile. Let me connect the keyboard to my computer to show you the RGB backlight system. The version that I've got has only white LEDs. They are very bright. You can control the brightness with the FN and arrow keys. Typing on this keyboard is very comfortable. The sound is amazing. This wired version is about 30% or maybe more cheaper than the wireless version. And if you don't need a wireless keyboard and you don't mind cables, it is a great option. This is a very high quality keyboard, very comfortable to use. It produces great sound. It's very durable. It does not bend. It does not flex. Everything stays in place. The stabilizers are also great. It's a great keyboard. Thank you for watching.